Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer CI artifacts to S3 from GitHub Actions, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer CI artifacts to S3 from GitHub Actions, begin by setting up your GitHub repository if you haven't already. Next, navigate to that Actions tab in your GitHub repository. Create a new workflow by clicking on the New Workflow button. Select either a template or opt for a blank workflow file. In your workflow file, specify the name of the workflow at the top using the name keyword. Define the on trigger that will initiate the workflow, such as push or pull _ request. Add a job under the Jobs section, naming it according to your preference. Set the runs on attribute, choosing the appropriate environment, such as Ubuntu latest. Within the job, start defining the steps to execute. The first step should be checking out your repository code using actions/checkout. To store your CI artifacts, add a step that runs your build process. After building your project, you'll need to upload the artifacts created during the build. Utilize the actions/upload artifact action for this purpose. Specify the name for your artifact and use path to point to the files you want to upload. Next, set up authentication to access your S3 bucket. Create an IAM user in AWS with permissions to put objects into your S3 bucket. Obtain the access key ID and secret access key from the IAM user. In your GitHub repository, navigate to the Settings tab. Select Secrets and Variables from the sidebar. Click on Actions, then New Repository Secret. Add your AWS access key ID and secret access key as two separate secrets. In your workflow, add a step to configure AWS CLI. Use the AWS Actions/configure AWS credentials action to set up your credentials. Reference the secrets you've just created. Now it's time to upload the artifacts to the S3 bucket. Add a step that uses the AWS CLI command, specifically the AWS S3 CP command. Include the path to your artifact files and specify the target S3 bucket. Make sure to set the required region for your S3 bucket. Optionally, you can configure the command to set metadata or storage class. Once your steps are complete, save the workflow file. Commit your changes to trigger the workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.